Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on my LG TV how to looking at how to turn off the ACR, which is the automatic content recognition on the LG TV. Do note that on all TVs there's an ACR, or the automatic content recognition, which takes screenshots of everything that you're doing on your TV, along with other information such as how long you're watching a program, where you pause, all of that, and it's using that information to send back to advertisers so they can advertise to you. However, you can opt out. Sometimes what happens is that you may simply set up a TV and think you can't opt out. You can actually opt out and it will not affect the TV. So the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is get the remote. We're gonna go to settings and you're gonna go down here, go to all settings. From here, you're gonna go down and the option should be around here somewhere. Under support, go down to support and privacy and terms, go to there. Then you're gonna go to your user agreements. All right, so this is the screen, or this is the all right, so this is the key options. Now there's a bunch of them. The key ones here there are two main ones, and I'm gonna include an additional one. So we're gonna focus on the two main ones. All right, so what you wanna do is navigate up, or should I say down, and you're gonna see here, you can go to the bottom of the list. The key ones are here. This one called viewer information agreement. That's the main one, and that's one as in the ACR. So what you want to do is go over and you can actually read, but I'm just going to save you some time to show you that this is the ACR. All right, so if you scroll down, there we are. That's the section there, and notice it says it says what is automatic content recognition. Let me quickly read through this. Viewing information and device information may be collected using ACR software to identify the content you watch or listen to on your device, regardless of the source of the information. Example, from any set-top box, gaming console, media player, over-the-air broadcast, or other source. ACR software is technology that identifies and analyzes the contents and provides relevant information to enhance user experience. You can disable ACR software by turning off Live Plus in the settings menu, or your smart media product ACR software is only applied to your smart media products provided Live Plus. So on LG TVs, there's the Live Plus. So you can disable the ACR by turning off the Live Plus in the settings menu. So Live Plus settings menu. All right, so from here, we're gonna go back, and as we said, we're gonna turn this off. So view information agreement. So we're gonna turn that off, and that was the one with the ACR. So that's viewer information agreement. We're gonna also turn off interest-based advertisement agreement. So as you see, it says this, give you the information, you can read it as well. It will supply you ads based on interest agreement, meaning it will study what you like and then give you ads accordingly. We're gonna turn this one off as well. As a bonus, you can also turn off voice information. If you're not using the voice features of your remote or your TV, as an added layer, you can also think about turning off the voice information. But since we are focusing on ACR, we're gonna stick to that. You can choose to turn that one off later, or if you want. So once we're finished, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna agree again. And it says terms of service have changed. It looks like you're about to withdraw your agreement to the legal document. If you do so, any smart TV functions that depends on your content will no longer be available, and your TV will restart itself to apply changes. Are you sure you want to proceed? All right, so we're gonna say yes. All right, so we're gonna allow the TV to reboot. Do note, so the TV has rebooted, and as a rule of thumb, If you update your TV, make sure you go back in and check those settings, as the TV might re-enable them. All right, guys, so I'm back in, and just to verify that it's actually changed, I came back in and you can see it has rebooted and we are now out. All right, so it's now off. All right, guys, so that's it, and I'll end the tutorial here. Hope this was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.